This is me and my helper, and we're cooking. Good job. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna help. We'll do this one. You can keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Nope. Yes. A little more. Pretty close. Two. All right, assistant, we gotta mush this. We gotta mush this up. So I'm gonna use my hand. You could use a spoon. Gloves would be appropriate here. I ain't got time for that. No gloves? We're going with no glove, huh? Somebody's gonna comment about it. We gotta address it. You should wear a glove. Anyway. And we are starting with 1/2 cup. Oh, thank you. Yes, why don't you just take over, chef, huh? Good job. Should we mix it? We should mix it. Oh, it smells good? Yeah, I'm gonna mix it by hand again. The next step is to roll these between your hands, and then we're gonna place them on this lightly greased fry basket. So we're gonna air fry these. Okay, so this is what they look like rolled out, and they're on our fryer basket. Now these are gonna go in for about 12 minutes at about 400 or 425, kind of whatever your top end is of your air fryer.